Hey, my love. Today we're going to look at addition sentences. When I give you a tens frame, can you write an addition sentence? So here we go. Here's our tens frame, and I'm going to look at the parts and the part, and the whole, and then I'm just going to do the same thing with my addition sentence. So before I even write my addition sentence, I see a blue part and I see a brown part. The blue part has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I can subitize and see that that's 5. The brown part has 1, 2, 3. So the parts are 5 and 3. And the whole, I can subitize and see that's 8, or I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, we have part plus part equals whole. So first part is 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's what our addition sentence is going to look like. Look, it matches. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Part plus part equals whole. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Part plus part equals whole. Let's look at another example. So we've got our tens frame. Part plus part equals whole. What will our addition sentence look like? Part plus part equals whole. 8 plus 2 equals 10 because there are 8 blues, 2 browns, 10 altogether. 10 is the whole. What will this addition sentence look like? 7 blues, that's a part, plus 2 browns, that's a part, equals 9, that's the whole. Again, part plus part equals whole. Part plus part equals whole. You getting it? Here's the next one. Part plus part equals whole. What will our addition sentence look like? Part plus part equals whole. Or 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 is a part right here, plus 5 is the part right here. That all together makes 10. So that's what we did today. Easy peasy, right? We wrote addition sentences to match our tens frames because we understand part plus part equals whole. If that did not feel easy peasy to you, watch this again and keep practicing so you can see part and part together makes whole. Part plus part equals whole. Keep working on it, baby. I'm so proud of your hard work. Love you.